Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best ring light is probably one of the most essential accessories for anyone looking to elevate their content creation game, whether you're a seasoned YouTuber, a budding influencer, or just someone who wants to look their best on video calls. This compact yet powerful device is designed to provide consistent, flattering illumination, eliminating harsh shadows and creating that desirable soft glow that makes your face pop. It's the secret weapon to achieving professional-looking footage without breaking the bank or requiring complex lighting setups, ensuring your audience stays engaged and impressed with every frame. Number 5. NEEWER RL 18-18-inch LED Ring Light Kit. Introducing the NEEWER RL 18, an 18-inch professional LED ring light kit. It's designed to provide exceptional lighting for a variety of creative and professional needs. This kit features a powerful 55W, 5600K LED light with adjustable brightness from 1% to 100%. It's perfect for studio photography, video recording, and live streaming. Everything you need is in the box: the ring light, a sturdy 61-inch light stand, a soft tube for flexible positioning, color filters, a ball head adapter, a smartphone holder, and a carrying bag. Setting up is straightforward, with clear instructions provided. The included accessories ensure compatibility with most cameras and smartphones for immediate use. Whether you're a makeup artist, tattoo artist, barber, or content creator, this lighting solution will enhance your work and elevate your visual content. Designed with user safety and environmental protection in mind, it emits low heat and no harmful radiation, making it safe for extended use. What we like? This large ring light offers professional-grade lighting for serious creators. If you're a makeup artist, barber, or tattoo artist needing consistent, high-quality illumination for detailed work, this is your best bet. Its comprehensive kit ensures you have everything you need for studio-quality results. What people say? The light is very bright and has 3 different brightness settings. It is very easy to attach to my phone and stays on securely. The ring light is rechargeable and holds a charge for a long time. Number 4. Weilisi 10.5 Ring Light with Tripod. Experience lighting like never before with our upgraded full-screen design. Its larger, round panel provides an ultra-bright, adjustable fill light effect from any angle, ensuring you're always perfectly illuminated. Our advanced full-screen lighting technology delivers softer, more uniform light. This makes your skin appear natural, enhances facial features, and protects your eyes while making you look more beautiful. Tailor your lighting with 10 brightness levels and 3 color temperatures. Whether you need warm, natural, or cold light, you can achieve the perfect brightness for any situation, anytime, anywhere. This versatile tripod extends from 39 to 69 inches, made from durable aluminum to meet all your height requirements. It also features a standard 1/4 screw mount for easy attachment. Capture stunning selfies or group photos from up to 30 feet away with the included wireless remote. It's compatible with most smartphones, making remote control simple and convenient. The rotatable phone holder securely grips phones from 2.49 to 3.74 inches wide. Easily adjust it to any angle to capture beautiful photos and videos with your iPhone, Galaxy, or Pixel. Perfect for a wide range of uses including video recording, live streaming, makeup application, video conferencing, and more. It's your go-to lighting solution for both indoor and outdoor needs. What we like? Experience lighting like never before with its innovative full-screen design that provides ultra-bright and even fill light. If you're looking for a versatile light that can adapt to any scenario, from video recording to live streaming, and want to ensure your skin looks natural and features are well-defined, this is the one for you. What people say? The light is very bright and has 3 different light settings. It is easy to attach to my phone and stays on securely. The rechargeable battery lasts for a long time on a single charge. Number 3. QIAYA Portable Clip Selfie Ring Light. Introducing the QIAYA Selfie Ring Light, designed to enhance your photos and videos. Its innovative design ensures balanced and beautiful lighting for every shot. Choose from 3 brightness settings to perfectly capture your best look. Find the ideal illumination for any situation, day or night. Simply insert 2 AAA batteries for instant use. No more waiting for recharges, making it perfect for on-the-go convenience. Beyond selfies, this light is perfect for makeup application, reading, or even as an emergency light. Its versatility makes it a must-have accessory. This compact light easily fits into your bag. Clip it onto your phone, tablet, or laptop to elevate your content creation wherever you are. What we like. This is the ultimate portable lighting solution for on-the-go content creation. If you need a quick and easy way to enhance your selfies or videos without being tied to a power source, this clip-on light is perfect. Just pop in some batteries, clip it on, and you're ready to capture great shots anywhere. What people say. The light is very bright and has 3 different brightness settings. It is very easy to attach to my phone and stays on securely. The rechargeable battery lasts for a long time on a single charge. Number 2. Little Selfie 1 Ring Light. Introducing the Little Selfie 1, the ultimate portable ring light designed for your phone, iPhone, Android, or laptop. It's perfect for creators, influencers, and anyone looking to elevate their content. With 60 high-powered LEDs, it provides brilliant portable lighting to enhance your TikTok videos, selfies, food photos, and Zoom calls. This is the ideal phone ring light for creating stunning content wherever you are. Choose from 3 distinct lighting tones, warm, cool, and natural, and adjust the brightness to find what looks best on you. Eliminate unflattering shadows and ensure your photos and videos always look their best. Its expandable clip attaches securely to your phone, tablet, or laptop, with soft padding inside to prevent scratches. Easily switch it between devices for versatile use. Enjoy over an hour of continuous use with the built-in rechargeable battery. Simply plug it in via USB for a quick recharge or continuous power, even for extended Zoom calls. Trusted by popular influencers and featured in publications like InStyle, People, and Forbes, this ring light is proven to help capture the perfect shot. Upgrade your content creation today. Unlock a free bonus gift inside the box, an exclusive video course on mastering the perfect selfie. Learn expert tips on angles, lighting, and posing from top influencers. What we like. For the creator who values convenience and quality, this rechargeable ring light is a game changer. If you're tired of buying disposable batteries and want a light that offers multiple color tones to match any mood or setting, this is ideal. It's perfect for influencers and creators who need a reliable, portable light for their daily content. What people say. The light is very bright and has 3 different brightness settings. It is easy to attach to my phone and stays on securely. The ring light is rechargeable and holds a charge for a long time. Number 1. Sensyne 50 Ring Light with Stand. Achieve flawless lighting for your videos, makeup, and streams. With multiple color modes and brightness levels, you can create the perfect soft, even glow every time. Say goodbye to harsh shadows and hello to flattering light. This versatile stand extends from 15.7 to 50 inches, making it ideal for desk use, standing filming, or even full-body shots. It's your all-in-one solution for video calls, live streaming, and content creation. Capture any angle with the flexible phone holder and adjustable head. Whether you need portrait, landscape, overhead, or low-angle shots, it's perfect for creators and everyday use. Take photos and videos from up to 30 feet away with the included wireless remote. This is perfect for solo creators, group shots, or when you simply don't want to touch your phone. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: a ring light, tripod stand, phone holder, and remote. It's compatible with both iPhone and Android devices, making it perfect for all your creative endeavors. What we like. This all-in-one kit provides the perfect lighting setup for a wide range of applications, from TikTok to Zoom calls. If you need a flexible lighting solution that can adjust from desk height to full standing height and offers hands-free control with a remote, this is an excellent choice. It's designed for creators who need versatility and ease of use. What people say. The light is very bright and has 3 different brightness settings. It is easy to attach to my phone and stays on securely. The rechargeable battery lasts for a long time on a single charge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.